So can you add your own sounds on TikTok? If you can, how do you do it? I'm going to show you exactly how if you stick around. If you find value from this video, please do drop a like and a follow so more people can see this. This is by far the simplest and the easiest way to add your own sounds on TikTok. So say for example, you've seen a clip on YouTube that you think would be absolutely hilarious or could have a chance of going viral on TikTok. This is what you do. Open the YouTube app and find the video that you want to grab the sound from. Start screen recording from your iPhone or the equivalent on Android. Shortly after you start screen recording, press play on the video on YouTube, but be sure to make sure that there's no adverts or anything that's going to start playing first. Once you've grabbed the clip, you want to stop the YouTube video and stop the screen recording. By default, the screen recording should save onto your photos or again, the equivalent on Android. What you then want to do is open up the TikTok app and click on the upload option. Preview the video, upload and then publish. But be careful to make sure that you publish it privately. What you then want to do is find the video that you publish privately, and you then want to click on the sound icon of that video and save that sound to favorites. You're going to see why in a minute. Then you want to go back again onto TikTok and start a new video. This time you're recording a new video, and what you're doing now is recording a video where you'll be able to use that sound that you published privately. Now remember when you said save it to favorites, this is now where it makes it easy for you to find that video that you saved to favorites earlier. And just like that, record, edit, and publish the video, but this time you can publish it to everyone. And just like that, you've got your own sound that you've uploaded onto TikTok. I genuinely hope you found that helpful. Do drop a like and a follow if you did, and I'll see you on the next one.